Receipt printer failures frustrate customers, slow transactions, and lead to unnecessary service calls and downtime. Introducing the Freedom-engineered FE-14 printer from Freedom Electronics, a next-generation replacement for DW14 and Zebra printers used in Wayne Ovation 2 dispensers. Designed by Freedom engineers, the FE-14 was built specifically for the petroleum industry with one goal in mind: exceptional reliability. Unlike traditional receipt printers that rely on complex cutter mechanisms, the FE-14 features a simple tear bar design combined with a patent-pending self-clearing system. If the paper path becomes blocked, the printer automatically retracts the paper and resumes printing, helping reduce paper jams and keep dispensers in service. We validated the FE-14 through extensive in-house testing and real-world field trials, proving its ability to deliver dependable performance in demanding forecourt environments. Every FE-14 arrives brand new and factory sealed, not as a remanufactured product. Each kit includes the printer and a universal cable for easy replacement of both DW14 and Zebra printers. An optional low paper sensor cable is also available for applications that require it. With one FE-14 replacing both printer types, operators and service companies can simplify inventory, while supporting more dispenser configurations with a single, dependable solution. Installation is fast and straightforward. Remove the existing printer, install the FE-14, reconnect the cables, and return the dispenser to service. The FE-14 is plug-and-play for DW14 replacements and includes everything needed for Zebra conversions. For best results, replace both Zebra printers. With built-in diagnostics, patent-pending self-clearing technology, and a 365-day warranty, the Freedom-engineered FE-14 helps technicians spend less time troubleshooting, reduces downtime for operators, and keeps customers moving. Upgrade to the Freedom-engineered FE-14 printer, the smarter replacement built for the petroleum industry. Available now at freedomelectronics.com.